Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the paragraphs that show big gaps. Once selected, look at the home ribbon to see whether text is justified. That is usually the cause. First, run a quick find and replace. Press Ctrl+H, search for 2 spaces, replace with 1, click Replace All until none remain. Make sure you don't leave trailing spaces at line ends. This removes extra manual spacing and prepares the text for the single dependable fix that follows. Now you apply the only reliable way to eliminate large word gaps. Stop using full justification. With the text still selected, press Ctrl+L or click Left Align on the Home ribbon. You'll see instant, even spacing because left alignment preserves single spaces and does not expand them to fill the line. If you must keep justification for layout, turn on Layout Hyphenation Automatic to split words and reduce gaps. But Left Align is the straightforward fix that removes those uneven spaces. Finish by scanning the document for any manual tabs or extra spaces. Remove them with Replace if needed. Make sure paragraph indents and tab stops aren't forcing gaps. If problems persist, open paragraph settings and inspect spacing and line width. Very narrow columns amplify justified gaps. Remember, if text must look flush on both sides, use hyphenation and wider columns, but when gaps are unacceptable, switch to Left Align.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.